Good morning, grade 6. Before anything
Good
else, before
morning.
going to computer 6, let's have first um, the activities for the science month, right? So by next week, hopefully, okay, during the face-to-face, this we will have science trivia, all right? This is during General Assembly, September 13, okay? September 13, you have science trivia. At the same time, you need to dress yourself, okay, like a scientist or a mathematician. That is junior scientist and mathematician look alike craze. Okay, you look for attire as a scientist or mathematician. Okay, your mastery test is by next week also. That's 14 and 15. Okay, you need to settle your account as soon as possible, right? Again, settle your account as soon as possible to avoid any problem during the examination days. Okay. Quiz Bowl, yes, we have Science and Math Quiz Bowl. This is September 20, Tuesday. Okay. What else? The deadline for your um, learning resource material is this 27th. Okay, that is actually Tuesday in preparation for the science exhibit because that your output, okay, for this quarter will be exhibited by September 29th. That's the last Thursday of September, right? Science and math film viewing is also in September 29th. Okay, but this is in schedule basis. We'll just talk it over with your advisor regards to the schedule. Supposed to be, we also have our experiment, but we cannot do it simply because we're running out of time, number one. Number two, our science 6 is scheduled online. So we cannot actually pull it over and replace it with or place it somewhere for face to face. But anyway, it's okay. Why? This is just temporary. We will have the full face to face hopefully, and we can actually perform a lot of experiments. Right? Do you have any question with the science month activities, science and math activities?
No, no.
Okay, let's move forward to your computer 6. Okay, hold on, let me share my screen. Can you see my shared screen now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes.
we did stop in organizing article information last meeting, right? The second step in content curation is organizing information. Collecting information involves writing down the piece of information you find useful and relevant. This is what I'm actually doing right then and there. Like if I'm gonna search for something, I'll be taking it down. Okay, even the links. I'll be copying the links and put it somewhere, like in um, Google Docs or in my notepad or in Mac, we're using Notepad. Okay, you cannot actually put it in Notepad. You can write this information down, or you can actually type it in a Notepad app or in temporary document. The information you will be organizing will come from or came from the different websites that you visit. Okay, there are different travel websites available online, and each of these websites provide different information. Okay, just like when you go to Wikipedia, okay, you're actually searching for a lot of information there. What else? How about yahoo.com? So you have a lot of articles also there. What else? If it is in travel, you have TripAdvisor if in case. So you can actually see a lot of information about travel areas or travel destinations if in case, right? There are also websites run by travel companies which are known for user-generated views of locations. So there are some websites also that will let actually anybody to post a comment or to create reviews, okay, out of that certain area. Like for example, when I when I actually gone to Boracay, okay, so the area there, you can actually create a review with the area pertaining to your experience, number one. Number two, your um the accommodations, okay, or what are your experiences with the people behind. So those are reviews of a location so that it can also encourage other people to come there. The most important part when collecting information is to ask yourself whether the information you found is useful to you. That's the first thing. Is it useful for me? Will this information help me all throughout? Okay. You will find a lot of information on a topic. That is why it is always a good practice to collect more information than collect less, because you will be curating the information after. Like for example, when I was still in college, okay, I used to create PowerPoint presentations with my reports. Okay, this is my habit. Every reporting, I used to have it in a PowerPoint presentation. Why? Because I am preserving those informations. I am preserving those data for future use. Okay? Because wherever you are, okay, those information, you'll be carrying those information with you, even in science. So there are some updates in science, but these are just an add up, okay, to your data. That is the reason behind. I am preserving all of those data. I have a lot of PPTs, okay, when I was still in college. Until now, I'm carrying it with me. This step, we will take a look at the different websites that have travel-related content in the form of text. You will also be writing down information you find in each website as the collection method of information. Later on also, or hopefully by next week, I will let you, okay, I will let you try to curate or to collect different websites, information from different websites, and you try to analyze on the data given by those websites. Creating a Google Keep label. Okay. Have you ever wondered how can you collect, how can you store these information, these bits of information? Google has a feature which is called Google Keep. Okay. Google Keep is a note-taking app used for saving different kinds of information such as text, photos, and audio. Okay. Google Keep is a useful tool in saving temporary information, okay, that you can access easily later, even in your phone. Okay. In Google Keep, you can create labels where you can assign different notes to save to notes to, so you can actually organize them. Okay, I will let you use Google Keep. Okay, hopefully by next meeting we can use Google Keep. To create Google Keep label, follow the steps. Number one, step one, load Google Keep using web browser. So what is the link? The link is keep.google.com. As early as now, you create an account so that by next week, hopefully we will be using your account, right? Keep.google.com. Okay. Second step, create a note label. Click the menu button that looks like it is horizontal lines. This one. Okay. You click this one and click edit labels. You can actually create labels, or you can edit the labels of your notes. Okay, temporary notes. Step 4. Type the label name. For this step, use the label name travel articles if in case. Okay. After typing the label name, click done and finish. So it will automatically sync in your account online. So you can access there anywhere. You can access this even in your phone or even in your PC or laptop. Step 5, view label. Okay. Click again the keep menu to see the label that you have created. You can now create keep notes inside a label, or you can also assign notes to a label at the later time. It depends upon. This is the label that we actually create a while ago, travel articles. Hopefully, again, by next week, we can actually do more likely similar to this. collecting information. Okay. In this step, you will be visiting 3 websites to collect information. You will create a Google Keep note to save information you have collected. Okay. Like for instance, website number 1, we have Wikipedia. Okay. Wikipedia is a type of online encyclopedia that contains factual information about different subjects. Whenever you search with the search engine, Wikipedia often found the first few links of the search results. Wikipedia is helpful in providing general information about subject or topic. The great thing about using Wikipedia is that each article has different links to other articles. But be careful of contents from Wikipedia, because this is actually a public website. So everybody can access, everybody can change. So it depends upon, but some of the information given there is not accurate. Again, fact checked. You need to do fact check or factual check if it is true. Okay. Using Wikipedia search for travel information will provide you with the general information about a place, such as its history, geography, and demographics. This is actually an example of a demographic, this one. Okay. You can also read about the culture of a place. Like for example, I have here Philippines. Okay. It has history in it. It has also demographics on the side. Okay. Website number 2, we have Lonely Planet. The website is Lonely Planet, www.lonelyplanet.com. Okay, Lonely Planet is a website that provides information on destinations, hotels, experiences, and activities. Okay. What sets Lonely Planet apart from other travel websites is the written articles about destination. Okay. These interesting articles are professionally written by the company writers. So different companies, okay, has different also writers or different field writers. So most probably they submit their entries to Lonely Planet for posting, right? So again, this website will give you information of the destinations, hotel experiences, and activities. Okay. Don't worry, I will let you try these hopefully by next week. When using Lonely Planet to search, this is actually the header for the Lonely Planet. I actually captured this one, screenshot. The Lonely Planet to search the travel information. You can read articles about interesting activities and information about the destination. Okay, these articles are full of information that tell you how to fully experience all there is to do and to do in a destination. So like for example, if you're going to check on the destination for Europe, okay, like in Italy, you can actually search all over. Okay, you can also see the experiences of the tourists there. You can also see some hotel accommodations in case. So this is a good, actually a good website to look into. The third website is quite interesting. This is also common. It is called the TripAdvisor. Okay, the URL or the website is www.tripadvisor.com. TripAdvisor is another website that contains travel-related content. What TripAdvisor is known is for is the rank lists of things to do in a place. So if you're going to check on TripAdvisor, it will give you a rank. It will give you a a a step-by-step, okay, procedure, or a things to do. What should be done first in that particular area or place. Okay, that's the TripAdvisor. Okay, I am also using TripAdvisor before when I travel in different places. Okay, when again when I go to Boracay, I use TripAdvisor because it will guide you over on what are the things that you need to do there. What are the things that you can actually do there. Okay, you can find top things to do, top places to eat. Okay, if you want a top one restaurant, it is actually ranked there. Okay, there are some ranking of restaurants, ranking of places that you can actually stay, and so on. Okay, the lists are all user generated. When you say user generated, it is based on the rates given by the users or based on the rates given by the tourists. That's how we manage to what? To check on TripAdvisor. Okay, this means that the rank of place changes depending on the reviews of people, because again, it is based on the reviews of the tourists or the people that actually there, okay, have been there. The people who reviewed these locations are regular people who have actually experienced the place. Okay, if they already experienced the place, they can leave a comment, they can leave a review. Okay, the great thing about user-generated reviews is that you can get to see the different perspective of people toward the place, because different people has different perspective also. Okay, some people are actually into different places or into beautiful places, or some people are into food. Okay, they're more focused on food. Some people also are more focused on what they can get out of that certain place. What are the gigs? What are the luxurious activity in that particular place? Okay, so different people has different perspective also toward a certain place. This can help you make an informed decision whenever you are searching for information. So these websites are your guide all throughout. If in case you're into travel, how about if you're into science? What are the websites that you can suggest? Let's see. What are the websites that you can suggest if you are into science? Who among you here are fan of science facts? Science facts? No one? 86? Okay. What website, JM, you usually go?
Uh, Probably like Wikipedia or
Yeah,
Google.
it could be. Any other website?
Any other website?
Yeah,
Maybe like Wiki Fandom, because that's where all the information of the stuff that I
Wikifandom, yeah.
search are over
I
there.
heard about
Yeah,
it.
yeah, those are the only ones that I search for. Because
Okay,
I am, what do you call this? My goal is to become a marine biologist.
marine biologist. That's great. Okay, I like that course also. Oh, that's great, JM. Very good. Okay. Any other website that you can suggest for science? There are a lot. We have in Nat Geo Wild, National Geographic. What else?
Yeah,
We have also
National
History
Geographic. I
Channel.
search over there too. I search about like animals that roam the ocean, and I mostly like the vampire fish.
Yeah.
I do research about them because they're really cool.
Okay. What's good about your generation, by the way, is that instead of going to a library, I already told you about this. Instead of going to a library, the information is already is already in front of you. Okay? It's in your laptop, it's in your device, it's in your iPad, it's in your iMac, it's in your MacBook. Okay? So all you have to do is to search. As simple as that. Do not stop there. Okay? Do not stop searching for information, because again, you'll be using that one. You will be maximizing that one um, sooner or later. Okay?
Yes, teacher. Before we couldn't search for like anything we wanted, but now we could like we have to find someone that knows about it so we could learn about it.
Correct. Very good, Robin. Yes, of course. Okay, you can always do so. Right? Again, if you want to search for the truth with regards to a certain concept, okay, you need to use or you need to have fact checked, because there are a lot of things in internet, there are a lot of things in websites, or there are a lot of things in the virtual world that are not true. You can actually consider them true, but they are not true. Okay, so how can we screen it out? Simple, by doing fact checks. Okay, check on the contents, check on the details of that certain concept. Okay, any other question, concerns? Yes, Kate. Okay.
I'm so sorry, Teacher MJ. I ate my lunch and I didn't check the time.
Yeah, it's okay. No worries. It's okay. Don't worry.
Oh,
Again, class, you listen. The discussion that we have now is already recorded. Okay. I'll be uploading this one in your LMS. You just need to check on your LMS. Okay. Again, we will do the activity by next meeting. We will do, hopefully, we can do the creation of label or curating. You can curate some information. I'll be giving you a lot of websites, and you try to curate something out of the certain websites. Right? Are we good again for Science Month next week? Okay. How about the junior scientist and mathematician look alike craze? Are we good? Because those are also graded. I'll be grading you over, of course. That is part of
Do
your
we have
grading.
to buy a lab coat, teacher?
If you will have an experiment, well, definitely you need to buy. Okay, as of the moment, we don't have experiment, but we still,
No, I mean for the costume.
you can also use, yes, you can. You can use the lab coat or lab gown or as a costume. Yes, JM.
Teacher, you probably know my sister Franz Kenneth, and I'm going to use her lab coat for the costume.
You will use my lab coat?
I will use my sister's lab coat
Oh, yeah,
because
it's
you
okay.
probably know her.
It's okay. Yeah, you can always use your sister's lab coat. Yeah. Any other concern? What to expect during the exhibit? Okay. With regards to the exhibit, okay, I will be putting table for grade 6. Okay. You will have your own table. So in your table, you need to decorate it over. Okay. Put your outputs there. Okay. Our output for grade 6 or science 6 is mixtures. So the heterogeneous, the homogeneous mixtures, you need to put it there. Okay. All your outputs will be graded. Okay. The deadline again is this September 27th. Okay. After September 27, I will try to check if I can record your score. But again, I'll be accepting, okay, output until September 27 only. Okay. So we will put your output in your table. You need to decorate also your table. Right? You just need to ask help also from your advisor. Okay? Am I making this clear, grade 6? Okay. I think that'll be all for today. I think we discussed a lot, right? Hopefully we can do the activity by next meeting. Okay? Have a nice day, grade 6. Take care. Bye-bye. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Bye-bye, teacher.
bye,
Bye,
teacher.
teacher.